What is granite? Granite is one of the most recognizable natural stones on Earth. You can find it in kitchen countertops, buildings, monuments, bridges, floors, and even in some of the oldest rocks exposed at the surface of our planet. But what exactly is granite, and how does this incredibly hard rock form? Granite is an igneous rock, which means it forms from molten rock called magma. Unlike volcanic rocks that cool quickly at the Earth's surface, granite forms deep underground, where magma cools extremely slowly over thousands or even millions of years. This slow cooling process is one of the most important characteristics of granite. Because the magma remains underground for such a long time, mineral crystals have enough time to grow. That's why granite usually has a distinctive appearance with visible grains of different colors and sizes. The three main minerals commonly found in granite are quartz, feldspar, and mica. Quartz is usually transparent, gray, or white and gives granite part of its hardness. Feldspar can appear white, pink, gray, or even reddish, while mica often appears as small black or shiny flakes. The exact combination of minerals determines the color and appearance of each type of granite. But how does granite eventually reach the Earth's surface if it forms deep underground? The answer involves geological processes. Over enormous periods of time, tectonic activity, erosion, and the movement of Earth's crust can gradually expose rocks that were once buried several kilometers below the surface. Imagine a giant block of granite buried deep beneath mountains. As millions of years pass, wind, rain, ice, and geological movements slowly remove the layers of rock above it. Eventually, the granite becomes exposed. This process is incredibly slow. Some granite formations we see today formed hundreds of millions or even billions of years ago. Granite is famous for its strength and durability. It has high resistance to scratching, abrasion, and heat, which makes it extremely useful for construction and architecture. Polished granite is also relatively resistant to stains when properly sealed. This is why granite is commonly used for kitchen countertops, bathroom surfaces, stairs, floors, walls, and monuments. But granite isn't only used for decoration. Large granite blocks have been used in massive engineering and architectural projects for centuries. Ancient civilizations used natural stone to construct temples, monuments, and other structures that have survived for incredibly long periods. Modern technology has made granite easier to extract and process. Large blocks can be cut from quarries using powerful saws and specialized machinery. These blocks are then sliced into slabs and polished to reveal the natural patterns and colors hidden inside the stone. One interesting characteristic of granite is that no two pieces are exactly the same. Because granite forms naturally, the distribution of minerals varies from one location to another. This creates unique patterns, veins, spots, and color combinations. However, granite does have some limitations. Although it is extremely hard, it can still crack or chip under strong impacts. Some types of granite are also more porous than others, meaning they can absorb liquids if they are not properly sealed. Another fascinating fact is that granite is not created instantly. Its formation is a geological process that can take millions of years. So when you look at a granite countertop or a massive granite monument, you're not simply looking at a piece of stone. You're looking at a record of Earth's geological history. Granite began as molten material deep inside the planet, cooled slowly into a solid mass, was gradually exposed by geological forces, and eventually became part of human buildings and technology. From the depths of the Earth to modern kitchens and skyscrapers, granite represents an incredible combination of geology, time, pressure, heat, and natural beauty. And perhaps the most amazing part is that every piece of granite carries a story that began millions, or even billions, of years ago.